Today, after a very long break of 2 months, I will be starting back with the labs. Now, where were we? The last lab that I did was create a Docker network. Now, Docker volume mapping. So this is the one that I'm going to attempt now, even though I don't necessarily remember everything about this lab, about Docker. Been out of touch for some time. Anyways, we're gonna do it. Let's see. Alright, the Nautilus DevOps team is testing application containerization, which is to be migrated on Docker container based environment soon. So in today's call, a member has been assigned to create a test Docker container with these requirements. These are the requirements. So before going into it, deep into it, let me just log in. Now I'm in. What do I have to do then? Create a new container with name blog from the image you just pulled. Then map the host volume to this path. There is a sample.txt file present in temp. First, I will check if the file is even there, because on KodeKloud it sometimes does not provide the file. There are some glitches during the launching of this lab, so let's check that first. ls nothing, ls minus la, okay, not showing. ls/tmp. Okay, so there is a samples.txt. What should we do then? Create a container. There are 2 to 3 ways how we can do it. First one is create a container separately, then start it with the mount separately, and the third way is to directly create a container and run it directly. And in all of these two methods that I've told is, one thing is common. Either I can fetch the nginx image separately or in one go. Let's do it in one go. If I have to do it otherwise, then it would be docker fetch, right? Docker pull होता है, docker pull which nginx latest. But I will not be doing this. I will directly go with, I can directly completely solve this lab with one command, that is docker run -d for detached -it for interactive. If I have to, I can even leave this it, but let's keep it. -name is demo, and where am I getting the image from? That will be nginx latest, and I have to mount this volume. So -v from where this is opt/finance, opt/finance to which home, right? Home. So if I run this command and then just copy paste this, I can copy paste it right now as well, but later as well. So if I run this, my lab will be completed. What should I do? Should I take the short way or the long way? The long way is obviously to create the container separately and then mount it separately. Okay, let me do the long way, because anyways this is easy way. I'm not going for the easy way right now. I will be copying it just in case I need it later. So let's copy, remove this. Let's go for the long way. I will be needing this name and all, except removing all this. So I can create. So I'm just creating a container, and then I'll be running it. And point to be noted is, while creating I'm mapping it. See, this is while creation. I cannot map it afterwards. That is what, at least what I saw. I can be wrong. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments. If we can map the host volume after the container is already created, if it is possible, please let me know. I would like to know. Okay, so it is saying it is up. Let's see. Security docker bs. Okay, docker bs -a. Yes, it is up. Now all I have to do is start it. The first start. Which one? Docker start demo. Demo is up and running. Now what I have to do is copy the files from there to there. So for that, if I try directly cp what slash tmp slash sample.txt sa to where slash opt slash finance. Directly cannot do it, no permission. We'll go for root. Password was IR0N capital M @N. Now if I try the same command, cp, where is it? Where did it go? Where is the command? Yeah, there it is now. cp slash tmp slash sample.txt slash opt slash finance. It has done it. So according to me, everything is up and running and done. Let's check it. Anyways, before checking it, I'll show you. I'm exiting exit. Wait, exit. All of this could have been done with this one single command, that is this docker run -d -it -v. This mapping the name of image source. Let's try it right now. Oh man, it is saying some kind of error. Let's try. Okay, no worries. Looks like the task was not completed successfully, but it's okay. You can try again next time. That container name with name blog found. Oh man. Okay, I remembered it from one of my previous attempts that the container name had to be blog, not demo. No issues. Let's do it again then. No worries. And I'm done. Let's try it. Oh shoot, what did I ended up doing now? So I have logged in. Now what the difference is, this time the name is apps, that's all. Okay, what was the short command? This one, right? Let me do this. Name is not demo, and the name is apps, apps. Anything else? Okay, mounting is different. Oh shoot, in the previous command I did not mount it correctly. I had to change that as well, right? This time we'll do it right with the one that I did in the previous one. So cool. Now I understand. Docker, it was the mistake in the command, man. It's because they always change the folder names. Docker create, docker create -v, which one? opt slash dba dba to slash home, no? Yeah, slash home. Name is apps. All cool.
Alright.
Made me question like what I'm doing wrong, even though I was doing everything right. It's just that they keep changing these names to mess with us. Okay, now Docker start apps. Now I have to get into root. Let's check now. Hopefully it would work. Yes, because the commands were right. It's just that they were messing with me. Cool. Thank you. I will put these commands into the description. You can check it from there. Make sure to change it according to your environment. That's all from this. Thank you.